Hello stalkers, welcome back. Markets have just now closed. Interesting price action in both the markets. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Check out this. Right at the resistance, market got rejected again today. 4,404 points is resistance. Yesterday when market was trying for a breakout, it got rejected. We are seeing a similar kind of scenario today. It went up till about 4,407. It could not sustain and closed below the resistance for the second time. Closing is at 4,395 points. So from here, I think there are two scenarios. Let me discuss one by one. First scenario is tomorrow is a good chance, if at all, market can cross 4,400 and close above this zone, then we can confirm resistance is taken out. In this scenario, we will expect a continuation to the upside. Next resistance at 4,459 points. Scenario number 2, it may establish a range either 4,400 till 4,380, or it can also come down deeper to establish a bigger range that would be between 4,360 and 4,400 points. It can trade within this range and then potentially it will break to the upside. The best part about DFM market index is, as I have been mentioning, right from the breakout zone, it's been going up, it's taking a pause, again we can see a move to the upside, it establishes a base and then a new leg to the upside is seen. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is market is establishing its support zones and then moving up. We are not seeing 90-degree moves like this. That is very unhealthy. This type of price action is very healthy for the market, as whenever it tries to come down, it will find support, new buyers will join in, and then we can see a continuation to the upside. If you ask me for an example, check this out. Last week we saw this massive red candle right after hitting 4,395. We saw it came down till 4,340. Very next day onwards, we are seeing continuous upside momentum. Clearly it has established support around the zone. Market is respecting this area and we are seeing upside momentum. Overall, DFM market index is bullish, it's positive. Very positive closing in ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check out the price action. Day before yesterday, it was trying to cross this resistance, that is 9,400 points. It got rejected, it was unsuccessful. Similarly, even yesterday, market tried for a breakout, it could not close above this resistance zone. Today, finally, we are seeing a nice positive bullish candle, a close above 9,400 points, confirming resistance is now taken out. We are seeing 3 green candles back to back in ADX market index. Next area of resistance is 9,480. Remember, this is also a resistance zone. From here, market declined till about 9,300 points. If at all it continues upside momentum directly, then there are chances it may take a pause here, or if it wants to break it, then most likely it will come down for a revisit to confirm support is established. Check this out, what happened here. This was the support zone. Market went up, it came down, and then it made a new move to the upside. It came down to revisit the same support area and now it's gearing up for another move. Previously, as we saw, it's been climbing up, but it's not establishing the base. Check this out, after this big move, it came down for a retest, moved up. We are not seeing any correction or a retracement in this leg up, and from here we are seeing almost 60 to 70% correction, and then it made a new high. Still, this is positive, this is bullish. This resistance, that is 9,375, was taken out, and after hitting 9,480, it came down for a deeper correction till about 9,300, and now we are expecting a new high. I want to see market crossing 9,563 very soon, most likely. Overall, ADX market is also bullish, it's in an uptrend. One of the stock that is literally on the steroids is Apex. This is the daily chart. Let's analyze this one. We can see it was a very slow stock previously. It was just going sideways and then finally it hit the resistance area, that is 1.80. On the way up, we made good money. I took profits as well. My members also made money. This was a bullish chart pattern which is called cup and handle. To be very honest, I did not expect this kind of rally. This is something crazy, and to be very honest, such rallies are hardly seen in UAE stock markets. Anyways, this is positive. Let's analyze this one. Lately, after the breakout right at 1.80, it hit the resistance around 2.15. It spent 4 days, and from here it's unstoppable. This was the strong resistance area I had also mentioned in my video earlier. Hopefully you have seen that. This is between 2.70 and 2.60. It took a halt around 4 days and from here it's unstoppable. We are seeing all big green candles. Today's closing is also very bullish, very powerful at 3.64. It opened with a gap up and continued its rally. It went up till about 3.70, closing is at 3.64. Still very positive, buyers are very aggressive. We are seeing crazy volumes in this stock. In fact, it has become one of the best performer in the market. Most of the investors and traders are only eyeing Apex as of now. But let me warn you and tell you that now it's approaching important and very strong area of resistance or supply area that is between 3.75 to 3.87. This is a strong supply area. There are good chances it may hit this resistance zone. Either it can go sideways from here or it can come down aggressively. The reason I'm not in favor of this stock as of now is because we are seeing almost 90 degrees move that are not sustainable in the markets. What happens when stock keeps climbing up? It hits a resistance zone, or rather a strong resistance zone. All the traders and investors jump in to take profits and then it comes down aggressively, trapping the buyers right at the top. So this is a kind of scenario that can potentially happen. Not sure or confirmed that this will only happen. Just take precautions if at all you have entered at the lower areas. No harm booking partial of your profits in case if it reverses from here. At least you don't give away all your gains. So this is the area of supply that I'm talking about. Tomorrow if it opens with a gap up or a flat opening, there are still chances it may continue its upside momentum. We will watch this area very closely, how it performs here. If at all you see any rejection, be rest assured there are very high chances it will come down for a correction. Overall, Apex is turbocharged, Apex is crazy, Apex is very bullish. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. For more updates, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.